Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am so excited because as you can see I have a bunch of new guests on my channel, and first I'm going to introduce you who everyone is, and then we are going to move into what kind of video we are doing today. Right here I have my big sister Kelly.
Hello everybody.
Kelly has her own YouTube channel as well called Kellies Kreations. I will link that web link in my description box below, and you guys can head on over there and click it. She does a whole bunch of DIY projects. My left is my niece Jerry.
Hi. My daughter-in-law.
And then my niece Rachel.
My soon-to-be daughter-in-law.
Today, Jerry came up with a great video to do. What we're going to do is Kelly and I are going to put makeup on Jerry and Rachel, and it's going to be kind of a different perspective on makeup, I guess, in general. So from somebody who knows how to do makeup and has a makeup background to someone who doesn't really do a whole lot of makeup and doesn't even wear a whole lot of makeup. So we kind of thought it would be fun to get two different perspectives on what that final makeup look will be once we are finished. So, and I honestly think it's just gonna be two beautiful, gorgeous like looks, because it is a different.
What we have to work.
I know.
Right now they're beautiful. So, like...
so I think this is gonna be fun and interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and move around a little bit, because we're gonna have them facing the camera so you can see them and not us. You don't need to look at us put makeup on them. So we're gonna switch around and we're gonna go ahead and get started. What this does is helps make your makeup stay on all day long.
You're gonna have to slow down, because like I don't even know what this stuff is. Hey, I found it.
Like, I haven't even started. I have to slow down already.
I just use my fingers.
Yep. As long as she doesn't mind you touching her face.
Alright, well, too late now.
I'm gonna try it.
If you turn out looking like the clown from the movie It,
See, I honestly think I like this idea so much, because I really don't think it's going to be that different, mine versus yours.
Honey, you're very optimistic.
I really think that people are going to be pleasantly surprised that you don't have to be a makeup artist to know how to do makeup.
Not the person you want for the spokesman of people who don't know how to do makeup.
What's funny is I never do makeup, but you're doing mine, and then she never does makeup, but
I know Rachel knows how to put
makeup
on. Yeah.
But I wanted to mix it up, because we don't want two people who know how to do it. You know?
Yeah. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of videos coming up for Valentine's. I have some cute ideas I can't wait to share with everybody. So you want to come to Jamie's channel and get beautiful, and then come to my channel and decorate your house.
Make
we work well together.
Alright, close your eyes.
You just got eyeshadow all over the side of your face. Oh, again, why is the brush doing this? See, it's...
Tap your brush when you dip it into the shadow, and then tap it on the edge, and it'll get some of that off.
Oh, that's why.
You won't have fallout.
We have such a scared look on your face right now. You're like, you're still putting more on there. What's going on? I'm gonna look like a clown. Okay, so how do you fix foundation that is, like, I can see a definite line on her face?
So take the sponge, because since you haven't really powdered her face, take the sponge and just keep dabbing. Really smack her face. Like, don't be afraid, because it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. You're doing it so nice and light. You're not moving it around. You want to kind of dab enough to move it around as you're working it in.
Is it better? Rachel's like, I liked it the way she was doing it.
No, don't beat me up.
Now, I watched Jamie do this, and she's like, a dot in the, where you would get circles. I did learn something. And then you come back with the beater brush and pound it in.
the beater brush.
Wow, this is so much easier, believe it or not, to do on yourself than somebody else.
Absolutely. 100%.
Like, this eyeliner's going all over her eye. But on me, I can do like one line, and
Yeah.
yeah, good.
Absolutely. A little trick. Your eyes start watering and you've done your eye makeup already, just take the Q-tip and put it along the water line.
Okay.
It'll soak up that water and it will not
Nothing
mess
will
up your
smear.
makeup.
Okay. Good to know.
She has like a ton of eyeliner on her eyes now. Can I go over it with eyeshadow?
You can blend it in and give her a smoky eye and then you
Okay.
won't see it. Alright, we're going to spray you with some finishing spray. Just try not to breathe all of it in. As you can see, totally different looks, but two very, very beautiful looks. You don't have to be a professional makeup artist to know how to put on makeup. You just gotta have fun, play around, and you can come up with gorgeous looks. That is my video for today. Please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!